The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can promote affiliate offers. So last day I have come to live to show you that how you can do this, but the problem is there's some internal problem. That's why the live video is not goes very well. So that's why I'm making this video today. So I hope you like this video and subscribe. My YouTube channel, join our Facebook group, premium share to get daily updates. So at first what you're gonna need, you have to get a VPN. So you can use a VPN extension for Google Chrome, what is set a VPN, and you can also use a free VPN, what is Windscribe. You can just create go to Windscribe and download this VPN and create an account to get your free account. So now we are going to connect this VPN with that USA or UK IP. So why USA and UK IP we are here to connect? Because most of the affiliate offers are there for US or UK countries. That's why here I connect that US or UK, and then go again to your YouTube and just reload this tab, and you will see that your YouTube is now converted to Great Britain IP. So then go to the trending tab, and from the trending tab you have to look for which video is on trending. So you can see that the video is trending that is related to your sports niche type video. So how we can utilize that video, let's see. So we can use that video to promote affiliate offers which are related to sports. So you can create an affiliate account on Clickbank, and then you can promote same niche related, same sports related product to make money online. So you can do the same with DJ Store. If you can create an affiliate account on Digistore, you can go to their marketplace, and from the marketplace you will see there is an option for sports. So there is a product for small sports, you can promote that, and even you can do the same thing with AliExpress. You have to create an AliExpress affiliate account, and from that account you can promote that sports related products. You will find there are a lot of sports related products for customers, so you can promote those products to get some profit. So the same idea goes for the Amazon. What you have to do, just go for Amazon affiliates and create an Amazon affiliate account, and from that account you can promote. There is a lot of product related to your sports niche. So how you can promote this video, promote that affiliate product with that video, we'll see. And okay, so another interesting fact is that you can even promote t-shirt with that trending video. You can use Teespring, just get a publisher account and design video related t-shirt, and then you can promote that t-shirt with that video, and this will go very good with this idea. So how we can promote this? For this we are gonna need this web tool. This is a free tool. What we need, it's called Snipely. Just visit their website snipe.ly and create a free account, and after you create a free account, go into your dashboard and you will see this option, create snipe. Just click on this, and now here they are asking you to create a new snipe link. So this will create a call to action button for your video. So now we are going to use that call to action button for promoting our affiliate offer. So let's suppose we are promoting here that soccer niche video, soccer niche t-shirt. So just suppose this is our t-shirt, we designed this t-shirt. So what do we have to do? Just get the affiliate link of that t-shirt and paste here. Okay, so it asks for the message, so we can type any message related to this product. We can say that t-shirt for soccer lovers, or t-shirt for football lovers, or t-shirt for soccer moms. We can say anything. And in the text bar we can set get now or limited edition, get it now, and then we are going to copy the affiliate link and paste here. Okay, so then go for continue and then click on creating. Okay, so after go for continue, then create a link, and here in this field you have to paste the trending video link here, and then just create snipe. Okay, so you can customize that button icon. Okay, so we got our link. Let's see how it shows. So if someone go with that link, they will see the video as well as the call to action button, and if they click on that call to action button, they will go for our landing page for our purchase link. So let's try this same method with the Clickbank product. Okay, so go for the Clickbank marketplace and I'm going to copy a product link, and then again I am going to create a new Snipe account. So let's choose a product here. Okay, I am choosing a random product, and then we can copy any text from their landing page. Okay, so you have to give your affiliate link, and for the call to action button you can type your learn more. For more information, click here, and you can use the eye-catchy text. So you can this would be a great text for us. Just type here your message short. You have to use here text what just make a curious mind for your viewers, and then just create snipely, and here paste the same URL that video is trending. So just copy that video link and paste there. Okay, paste there and click on snipe. Okay, then this is the final link what you have to promote. So for promote this link, you can use any Twitter group or Facebook group or Instagram or Quora. So as our video is related to that football or soccer and what is for UK, so we can just simply join the groups on football related on Facebook, which is for UK. So you can see there the members of those groups are more than 3,000, or some groups members followers are more than 10,000. So, and the groups are you have to see the group is engageable, the group's engagement. If the group engagement rate is good, then you can promote your product there. So how you can paste your link and get approved, so for this you can check out my previous video where I have shown you how you can use Snipely to promote your affiliate offer with a website. So you can check out this video here. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video very soon.